Welcome to Aftermath Entertainment 254, your one-stop channel for all things entertainment. Here, we bring you the best and the latest information about various digital platforms, how to make the most out of them, and even how to earn money online. If you're interested in these topics, you've come to the right place. So, why wait? Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated with all our latest content. And remember, every like and subscription helps us to bring you more quality content. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Maybe you've heard of various methods, but still aren't sure where to start. Well, there's one platform that may just be the answer you're looking for: Panel Station. Now you might be wondering, what is Panel Station? Simply put, it's a digital platform that allows you to earn rewards by participating in online surveys. These rewards can then be converted into money. Sounds simple, right? But how does it work, you ask? Well, it's a four-step process. Step 1. Sign up for Panel Station. The process is straightforward. You need to provide some basic information about yourself. This is necessary because the platform uses this information to match you with surveys that are relevant to your demographic. Step 2. Start taking surveys. Once you've signed up, you'll start receiving survey invitations via email. Each survey takes around 12 to 15 minutes to complete, so it won't eat up too much of your time. And the best part? You get to share your opinion on products and services that you use every day. Step 3. Earn points. Each survey you complete earns you points. The number of points you earn per survey varies, but it's usually between 100 to 5,000 points. The more surveys you take, the more points you accumulate. Step 4. Redeem your points. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for various rewards. These rewards can be cash, gift cards, or even products. The choice is yours. So, there you have it. A simple, easy-to-follow process to make money online using Panel Station. All it takes is a little bit of your time and your willingness to share your opinions. But wait, there's more. Panel Station isn't just about making money, it's also about making a difference. By taking part in these surveys, you're helping companies improve their products and services. You're making your voice heard. So not only do you get to earn money, but you also get to contribute to making the world a better place. So, why not give Panel Station a try? Sign up today and start making money. After all, who doesn't like the sound of making money from the comfort of their own home? Remember, every survey completed is a step closer to your next reward. So don't wait. Sign up, start taking surveys, and watch as your points pile up. Before you know it, you'll be cashing in your points for rewards.